Hello, today I'm going to show you how to navigate the resources and tools to utilize Digication to upload your documents and submit your work. So the easiest way to get to the resources here at Loyola is to go up to the search bar in the homepage and type in Digication. Once there, under the Center for Engaged Learning, Teaching, and Scholarship, you can click the Digication tool. There's a Digication login button here, as well as the link here. If you have any more questions, you can always come to the tutorial sections or contact us and reach out at learningportfolio@luc.edu. That way you can get in touch with us and schedule any appointments, or if there's any errors using the system, we're happy to set up a meeting and schedule any appointments necessary. Once you click Digication Login, if this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and agreements. Otherwise, you'll end up here on your dashboard. Since you're enrolled in the program already, you should have one of the templates here. If you don't see anything, there should be a blue plus button in the right-hand corner for ePortfolios. You can click Create, and then it'll prompt you, or just click the MCBG template here. Once you click this template and open it, you should be able to see the template highlighted here. And so make sure that this box is selected and then type in anything that you'd like to use to title your portfolio. I usually use the program, my initials, and then you can use your cohort year or whatever you'd like, or your full name to distinguish your portfolio. Then just click Create. You can change the title and the thumbnail and the URL at any point. So don't feel like you have to commit to them now. But then once you click Create, it'll open up this menu and show you that the system is processing and it is designing and building out the portfolio for you. So you can take a minute, get up and stretch, grab a glass of water, and then come back when the page has loaded. Like I said, at any point, if you run into trouble, just feel free to reach out to learningportfolio@luc.edu, and we're happy to set up an appointment and guide you through any of the troubleshooting you might need. Once here, you're going to start to be able to click through any of the tabs and go to any of the pages that you're going to be submitting your work. So under, for example, the genetics project, you can click add content. You can click this content button down here, or you can do something as simple as dragging and dropping. So if you drag and drop, you move the item from your Finder over to the page. It automatically compresses the file size for you. It takes a couple seconds to load. And then once it does, you can actually move the document across the page, add any other elements, and basically build out a pretty robust portfolio. Otherwise, if you just have the document and you just want to submit it, make sure that the file is visible like this in that capacity, or is clickable to the faculty users. And then let's say, for example, you're ready to publish either this page or all of them. You come up here to the right-hand side, and there are two steps to doing this. Publishing just means your portfolio is live and visible to whomever you decide to share it with. Then you have to submit to assignment, or your faculty instructors won't see your work and you won't have turned it in. So step one is, like I said, publish. I like to go to publish pages and do it all at once. Make sure that all pages is highlighted in green. If it's green, it means it's good to go. If it's white, it means that it's not ready. So make sure they're all highlighted and click publish. It'll again, for the first time, prompt you to have this setting menu. So you can see the title, the URL, the thumbnail, and then I usually uncheck this box from the directory. Users can't see it if they log in and access the system, but there's no reason. So I always just uncheck the box just to be safe. And then I click Save Settings. Once you save settings, your portfolio is now published and live to its most current version. Any edits you make after this point, you have to come back up here and click Publish this page or pages, depending on how many you've changed. Otherwise, they won't be current. So always remember, step one is to publish, and step two is to submit to assignment. So once your pages are ready, click Submit to Assignment. Come here and you'll see the assignment that's given to you. So for example, Form 2, and then you'll click, or this should say the genetics project. But I've already submitted some work to this course, so this is the only one that appears for me, but it should give you a list of them, or assignments, and then you'll click Submit ePortfolio. So here you want the genetics project abstract, and then you'll click Submit. Once you do that, it'll process and show you the course and the assignment that you're submitting to. It'll give you two checkboxes and you can view the submission. At that point, it'll show you what the faculty would see if you submitted the work there. So once you're good with that, you just click out, you click this X box up here, and you've submitted the work that you need to for your portfolio. An additional way to log in and create your portfolio and submit your work is to go through Sakai. So if you're logging in through Sakai and you go to the Digication tool here on the left-hand side, you'll see something similar to this. If you don't see a portfolio shared with the course, just click this plus button here. and it'll redirect you back to Digication. And if it says no templates found, click over here under templates shared and go to all templates. Here, you should see a list of templates that are available to students here on campus. Yours should say MCBG, and if there are a lot of them, like you can see here, you can search for them. Mine currently says template not found because I already made one, but you should be able to see MCBG, click that, and then follow the steps that are previously shown in this video. So like I said, if you have any trouble, always feel free to come back here to the Digication resource on Loyola's website and either relog in through Digication or contact us at learningportfolio.luc or at luc.edu. Other than that, good luck and let us know if you have any trouble.